Welcome to the new report builder from Indico Labs. Today I plan to give you a brief overview of the concept behind the software and provide you with a demo of some of the more important and impressive features. At its core, the aim of the new report builder is to help researchers like you build your time-consuming and data-heavy reports more efficiently. One of the key differences between this and other online reporting tools is that this solution allows you to design the slides exactly as you want them to look in PowerPoint, limiting the amount of time spent on formatting updated and exported slides. Let's jump into the platform. I'm using exactly the same slide pack, but I've uploaded it into the platform along with my data tables. You can use your data tables or an SPSS file with respondent level data. The first thing to note is that you are able to map your data, sample information, question text and more to any chart, table or text box on your slide. Let's go ahead and do that now. Starting with the chart, let's map the total column from QA19. You can see that we've got quite a lot of rows in this chart. The instruction specifies to only show the top 5. We have a range of different transformation features available that will help us to do this quickly and easily, but they will also be dynamic when we repeat this slide, showing whatever the top 5 happen to be for the next statement. I'm going to go ahead and sort the data. And then I want to add another transformation to keep the top 5. Even now, if we were to repeat this for each brand in the survey, we will very quickly achieve something that would have taken a lot of time and effort outside of the platform. But let's take it a step further. Anything inside these curly brackets can be used as a tag to map data to. If we click on brand tag here, we can map the table name or the brand text to this tag. I'm taking the brand name Awesome TV from the job title. And that's now been mapped to my tag. So now that we've mapped everything, it's time for a feature that I hope will blow your mind. Up here we have a really neat function called the repeat slide. Let's repeat this slide for the rest of the brands in QA19. I've selected everything from Shining Star down to Seat and Production TV, and now I'm just going to hit repeat. And it's given me a compatibility report to show me whether there have been any issues in the repeating. I'm just going to have a look and see whether anything was incompatible. No. So I'm going to hit OK. And now you can see that I have a slide for every single one of those individual brands, showing me the top 5 results for that specific brand and pulling through the base size. Now it's time for something a little bit more complicated. Let's finish populating this trellis chart and repeat for every statement from QA3B. You can see that I've already mapped my question text, my base notes, and most of the top 2 boxes and most of the charts. Let's finish it off by mapping data to my final top 2 box and my final chart for segment number 6, family viewers. Now you can see that some transformations have already been applied to most of these charts, but they are missing from my final one. I have 2 extra answer options in this chart compared to all of the others. Rather than having to manually go through and add the transformations again, I can copy the configurations from one chart to another. Now that everything is mapped again, we can repeat. So my aim is to repeat this slide for every single statement from this grid style question. And just like magic, I now have a slide for every single one of these statements, including the mapped top 2 boxes, the updated base sizes, and all of the charts. I'm going to go ahead and download this PowerPoint so that you can see that the formatting remains intact compared to my original PowerPoint version. Download all slides. And here is the report that we've just downloaded from the platform. I'm going to jump down to the trellis charts because they look the most impressive, but you can see that it's pulled through all of the different information and it's kept all of the formatting exactly the same as it was in the original version. Perhaps importantly for you, everything in these slides remains entirely editable, so you can continue to edit once you've exported from the software. Thank you for taking the time to watch this demo. We're looking forward to getting you onboarded and hearing what you think.